This bullshit. So top of the morning, y'all. Top of the morning, world. So now y'all know I got the 2011 Jeep Liberty Sport. I ain't mentioned that my ignition coil, not my ignition coil, the where you put the key at the key cylinder, my shit is kind of shot. So the key slides out the ignition. So you know we got that skim system on it, that key protection shit. You know what I mean, around the cylinder. And that shit becomes an issue once the key falls out, because then the security shit activates. Now I can't get my bitch to start. So in those type of situations, what you do, disconnect the negative first, then you disconnect the positive. To perform a full hard reset, use your jumper wire where you connect positive to the negative terminal. Make sure that they ain't nowhere near the battery itself. Let that shit sit there for like a good 15 minutes, maybe half hour. Reconnect the positive first, then the negative. Try to start the vehicle. That should work. If that don't work, you could put the key in there in the run position into your vehicle after reconnecting both terminals, and let it sit in the run position for like 15-20 minutes, and the key should register again. It should reread. Ain't that some bullshit, y'all? It's fucking freezing out here. Look at this shit. Snowy goddamn where. I got shit to go do, and this motherfucker don't want to start because it's some key entry shit. I'll hit y'all back in a minute when I'm on the road. Safety.